Today I'm trying the viral Dubai chocolate. I'm gonna take a bite in 3, 2, 1. It's kind of crunchy. Inside is kunafa and pistachio. It kind of tastes like a milk chocolate, but crunchy. Bye bye. Let me enjoy my kunafa chocolate. Go away.